Don't know what birds are like. Hey, robins, blue tits, and gold tits are here. Oh, let's see other birds. I know there's blackbirds here. I've got two of them, male and female, so in the bushes over the road from me. That's it. They want more food. They'll sometimes call on my window, and it is like annoying. And I'm like, no. See, this is it. They want more food. Listen. See, they want more food. This blackbird really wants me to feed it. So I'm sitting here like, no. No. See, that blackbird really wanted me. So annoying. I know it's a wild bird, but I think it's where I fed it. It's trying not to imprint on me, I don't know. I worked with birds of prey when I was younger, so when they're wild you can't get them imprinting on you. But when they're wild, I went to work with a tawny owl who's called Troy, and you've had them too long, you can't release them because they've been used to humans too much. So usually adults are, when they're adults they're too close to humans. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. I'll see ya, bye.